I wish you a very warm welcome to all my viewers and assuring a better and safer life. Okay. Today I again welcome you all to this channel for another video tutorial that is about electrocardiograph. Okay. The machine is itself called as electrocardiograph, and the electrical records which are obtained by a graph is called as electrocardiogram. Let me clarify all these events which takes place during the process. Then what do you mean by ECG? The ECG is otherwise called as a graphical representation of electrical activity of heart. Okay. It is the graphical representation of electrical activities inside heart. From where these electrical activities are obtained? These electrical activities are specially obtained from the movement of charged particles. These are generated due to movement of charged particles. We cannot feel it by itself. By touching a part of the body, we cannot feel it. Still then we can measure it through electrocardiograph machine. Okay. So let's discuss first how these charges flowing inside the cardiac cells, how the charges are generated and how they are converted into electrical signal. Okay. Suppose this is a cell, this is a cardiac cell, cardiac muscle cell. Okay. When the muscle is in relaxed state, what are the composition, ionic concentration? Inside the muscle there are more potassium ion, outside there is sodium and chloride, NaCl, Na plus, Cl minus outside this cell. It is the composition at relaxed state. This composition is generally found during relaxed state. What happens during contraction? The sodium from the matrix, extracellular matrix, they enter inside, sodium enters into this muscle cell, which is called as depolarization. The depolarization leads to contraction. Suppose this is the muscle cell. The muscle cell now contract into this size, contraction. The contraction is due to influx of sodium into the sarcoplasm. Okay. How it again relax, repolarize? When the potassium ion move out, it causes relaxation, that means diastole. When potassium from the cell again moves out, it causes contraction, the movement causes again a relaxation. It is the relaxed state. So there is a continuous movement of ions. During contraction, sodium enters into it. During relaxation, potassium goes out of the cardiac muscle cell. If we consider, so these are the flow of charged particles. The flow of charged particles can able to generate the electrical signal of heart that is detected by our electrocardiograph machine. Okay. So what are the 4 events? We have to first find what are the 4 events occurring in heart at this ECG. As we already know it, the pathway of circulation and the direction of blood flow through heart, it is obvious that what happens, suppose this is the structure of heart. Deoxygenated blood come here to right atrium, then it goes to right ventricle, then it again enters to lungs from here, and from the lungs it is received by left atrium, then goes to left ventricle and then to body. Okay. We have already read it during double circulation through heart. So what happens, which type of electrical events are going on first and which is after that? What happens first? There is atrial depolarization first. The event 1 is atrial depolarization. It leads to contraction of atrium, the first event, atrial contraction, so that the bloods can enter into the respective ventricle. So immediately after the atrium filled with blood, the atrial contraction takes place, so the blood can enter into respective ventricle. Okay, this is the first event. What the second event? That is the atrial repolarization. The atrium relax during this period. The second electrical event. What happened during this period? The muscle cells receive sodium. During this phase, what happens? Potassium is expelled out. Clear? The third event, ventricular depolarization. That means the sodium enter into the muscles of ventricle, cardiac muscle of ventricle, causes contraction. Then the fourth event is ventricular repolarization, release of potassium outside. Okay, ventricular repolarization. Okay, it causes relaxation, ventricular relaxation. So these are the 4 types of cardiac activities which are converted into electrical events. We have to measure these electrical events from the body. Okay, suppose we are touching this portion of blood, this portion of body. It is not generating any current. It is very negligible to feel it, but it can be detected with the help of a electrocardiograph machine. Okay, so how the machine now come to the layout of machine, ECG machine. Suppose this is the machine, ECG machine. Okay, the device gives certain leads, two leads attached to ankle of two leads attached to wrist of hand, forelimb. Another lead attached to left leg at ankle, लेफ्ट लेग where जहाँ हार्ट होगा लेफ्ट साइड में ना, वहीं पे अटैच होगा. A group of leads are attached to chest region. Numerous leads attached to placed at the chest region where heart is present. So it generates waves. In a monitor, it generates waves. The waves are from the baseline, it is deflected wave. Suppose this is a small wave, then such type of waves can be generated. Now we will discuss about the waves. Okay. Suppose this is the baseline. This is the baseline. During atrial systole, what happens? A small wave P. It is due to atrial contraction. The inflow of sodium into the cell, it generate the charged particle generate electric current. Okay. So after that the atrium relax, but the atrial relax and ventricular contraction takes place almost at the same time. So the electrical signal generated during the ventricular contraction is much more higher, so that no wave for atrial relaxation is here. Remember it, atrium जब रिलैक्स करेगा उसी टाइम में वेंट्रिकल को कंट्रैक्ट करना होगा, तो वेंट्रिकल कंट्रैक्शन में ज़्यादा इलेक्ट्रिक फोर्स जनरेट हो जाएगा, ज़्यादा चार्ज जनरेट हो जाएगा, जिसका सामने आट्रियल रिलैक्सेशन का चार्ज नेग्लिजिबल होगा। इसलिए आट्रियम रिलैक्सेशन का कोई वेव नहीं है ये ग्राफ में। ओके, सो आफ्टर आट्रियल कॉन्ट्रैक्शन there is ventricular contraction, Q, R and S, Q, R, S. What happens after it? The ventricular relaxation takes place. Ventricular contraction के बाद ventricular relaxation. A large wave which is larger than P also, it is T. So here this cycle ends. Okay, it is about 0.8 second. The duration is 0.8 second. The P represent atrial systole, QRS ventricular systole, T is ventricular diastole, repolarization. If we calculate the timeline, it shows that timeline, it is, suppose this is 0.2 second, this is 0.2 सेकेंड जो आर्ट्रियल कंट्रैक्शन होगा 0.2 सेकेंड में, उसके बाद 0.4 ये पीक 0.4 सेकेंड में ये होगा 0.6 दिस इज 0.8 सेकेंड. ओके, सो द टोटल इवेंट टेक्स प्लेस at an interval of 0.8 second. So this graph is called as इलेक्ट्रो, ये ग्राफ को हम इलेक्ट्रोकार्डियोग्राम कहेंगे, कार्डियोग्राम. दिस machine is electrocardiograph. Okay, so it is all about the electrical events generated during the flow of charged particles in body. Okay, thank you all.